Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare VSCode and JetBrains. VSCode Visual Studio Code is a popular free and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. It's known for its speed, flexibility, and a wide range of extensions. It supports multiple programming languages including Python, JavaScript, C++, and more. One of the major strengths of VSCode is its vast library of extensions that help customize the environment to your needs. It has a built JIT integration, debugging tools, and Intel Sense for code completion. With extensions like GitHub Copilot, VS Code can integrate AI-powered code suggestions, making it more productive for developers. However, its basic features may require additional extensions, and the setup can be overwhelming for beginners. JetBrains, on the other hand, is a suite of full-fledged integrated development environments IDEs, including popular ones like IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, WebStorm, and others. These tools come with advanced features built in, such as intelligent code completion, refactoring tools, integrated debugging, and version control support. JetBrains also integrates AI-based tools like Code with Me for collaborative coding and offers features like code analysis, error detection, and quick fixes. JetBrains products tend to be heavier than VS Code, meaning they may use more system resources. Additionally, JetBrains requires a subscription for many of its features, which can be a drawback for some users. If you're looking for a lightweight, customizable code editor with AI-powered extensions, VS Code is a great option. However, if you need an all-in-one IDE with advanced tools built into the platform and are willing to pay for extra features, JetBrains is a better choice. It depends on your workflow: VS Code for flexibility and speed, or JetBrains for deep integrations and advanced features. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.